Yeah, so today we have a Volkswagen City Golf, a Mark 1, quite a popular car. And we have this situation where, they've got a screwdriver stuck in, to the, well, to keep the window up, because the mechanism inside, there's obviously a problem there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this panel stripped off so that we can see what's going on inside. Okay, so we take off the window winder, okay, and we'll get the plastic off on the inside of the door handle. It's just like a plastic piece here, okay, that clips out, and then we have a star screw in there that holds that plastic cover on. Okay, star screw there. It's not a self tapper, it's actually threaded. Okay, so we'll take that out, and then that cover can come out of the way. Okay, so when we pull it off, nothing's going to hold that in. And then I think there should be star screws in here in the handle. There should be 2 of them. Loose. Should be another one there. As you can see, those are not, it's almost like a self-tapper, both of them. We put that one side. And then of course we'll just use a unit here to loosen off the covers here. Just make sure there's no screws in, because some people, when these clips fail, they tend to put these, they tend to put covers in, screws in here. So we'll just pull screwdrivers out. And gently. Okay, so that's just falling away. Yeah, it's just falling away there. So I think what we need to do is, okay, there are 2 screws here, size 10 bolts, which we need to loosen so that we can take the, we can take the window completely out of the way. One bolt. Okay. See, there's a hole here, okay, that your socket will fit through. We'll just turn that nut off as well. And then we can just basically let the window hang in there until we get the new winder. Okay, and the mechanism at least. Just be careful, we don't want to break the window. Okay, so now we will remove the rest of the we will remove. How this works, it's very simple. Okay, that's locked. and then you just take a screwdriver and push that open and pull it off. Okay, when you put it back, it's the reverse. Push it in and lock it. Okay, quite simple. So now we need to take this whole mechanism, which will have a few screws on it, in it. So here's, I see 1, 2, 3, hopefully that's all. So let's just get that open and see if that is our only bolts that's holding the whole mechanism in here. There's one missing here, okay. That's probably where their trouble started, okay. That's the bolts there. There's one missing there, there was 2 there. Well, here's another bolt here. So that will make it 4, 5. So okay, that's actually a nut. Okay, so that looks like a study there. Now we just need to somehow, yeah, we just need to somehow get the mechanism out. Okay, so we need to get the window up. Yeah, so the mechanism can just okay. So that's what the mechanism looks like there. Obviously the cable snapped. You can see the cable snapped there. Okay, so that's the problem. Okay, so I'll go and get another one, show you what a good one looks like. Well, that's the new mechanism. Let's take it out to the packaging. So that's what it's supposed to look like without the cable broken. Obviously with the cable breaking, you know, it basically came apart and the window would just fall down. Alright, so let's go fit this. Pretty simple. Okay, so just basically locate that threaded bit over there. Okay, so we'll put this, he's going to help just to get the window up out of the way a little bit. Okay, so the main thing is, let me just take you closer once again. I was struggling a little bit with lining this unit up over here. Okay, but you know, I think this being not a genuine mechanism, that you know, it doesn't line up so 100%, so it was a little bit of a struggle. But anyway, I've got that sort of sorted now. So it's 2 bolts here, okay, by the winder mechanism. There's 2 bolts with the upright. There's 1 nut there, okay, and there's 2 bolts that hold the window to the mechanism. Alright, so it's 2, 4, 6 bolts and 1 nut. Okay, once you've got all that threaded, now we can tighten everything up. Okay, you know, I normally go by the rule of thread everything first and then tighten it, because you know, sometimes you basically thread and then you cannot get the last bolt in because you've tightened it before it's time. Okay, make sure we don't pinch any wires there. Okay, because there are wires with the central locking running through the door here. So we'll just make sure we don't pinch those wires. Okay, so I've got all the paneling back over here. Okay, now you can see the window winder is working nicely. Okay, windows going up nice and straight, no difficulty, anything like that. Okay, so just remember when you put in the winder, okay, 2, 4, 6 bolts, 1 nut, okay, and then thread them all first, and then you tighten everything. Alright, then you put slap your covers back on again. You know, 2 screws in here, 1 screw just to hold the plastic covering, and then to unclip here you just push and pull. Okay, you push to unlock, push to lock. Okay, so when you put it back, you just lock it and it won't come off. Okay.